Hello friends, today I will teach you how to insert and make MP4 videos in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedures on how to insert and make these videos in PowerPoint. During your presentation, do you want to make a professional presentation? Do you want to show your videos like this during your presentation, or format your video during your presentation, or even train your videos according to how you want to do your presentation, or even add stock images, online online videos, or even make your own video do your presentation. If you like that, please follow me. Let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, well, let us continue in this tutorial. Today I say we learn how to insert and make video. Okay, for you to insert, you click on insert tab. If you have not watched my video on insert tab, please, the link is provided in the description section. Okay, now you click on insert tab. There are a lot of icons that we see teach and see in start tab. A lot of icons I will see teach here. The first icon that I have done how to insert your PDF file in PowerPoint. If you have not watched it, please watch it. The link is also provided. Now, the second one I want to do now is how to embed or insert videos or make a video in PowerPoint, do your presentation. Okay, if you want to do that, once you select insert tab, you select the video icon. Under the video icon, you see this arrow here. You click on it. For you to insert your video in PowerPoint, you can do it in three ways. You can either select this device, that is getting the video for your PC, or you can get the video from stock videos, the one that's already in a PowerPoint, already made video, or you can get from online, maybe for your YouTube or from anywhere, or even slash share anywhere you want, can get it from online, where you have your video online. Okay, let us start with this device, which is from the laptop. Once you click on this device, it will take you to your directory where your video is. Okay, it's loading. Once it open, you will now select the video that you want. This is the video that I want. You click on it, left click on it, then open. Once you open, you allow it to load. It doesn't take time. Okay, you allow it to load fast. You load it. After loading, you will see the icon for video where you can play it. Yeah, this is the video. This is the icon. Before I play it, let me arrange it very well, because in this presentation you need to make it stand out. Let me arrange the video. After arranging the video, I can now play the video. See it. Is it not wonderful? It's amazing. Okay, this is the first method. The second method again, when you go back to your insert tab, you select from the get video from stock videos. Before, please note, for you to do this type of thing and do it, make sure that your PowerPoint, you have PowerPoint 365, or you have PowerPoint from version 16 and above, or you can use online PowerPoint. The one I'm using now is online PowerPoint. Okay, if you have a lower version, you cannot do that. You can only insert for your PC, but you cannot do this stock videos and online videos. Okay, that is the disadvantage of not having higher version. But even if you don't have higher version, you can still use online PowerPoint. Okay, so the second method is to get it from stock videos. You click on stock videos, it will start loading. Okay, there are a lot of things that are here that you don't know. That is why it's good to share this video to your friends. If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe, comment, and like our video so that other people will also comment. Share this video to other people, share to your students, share to everybody that you need, that this video will be helpful, and also watch our previous videos. Okay, For you to do that, see the video here, you click on it. You can select any type of video that you want. Any video that you want, you can select it. If you want this one, let's see. Okay, let's go back and see if we can get another one. A lot of videos that that will make your presentation to stand out. A lot of videos. This is a lot of videos that you need. Creativity. There are a lot of videos that you can choose here. Okay, let's select one. This is the one we selected. Then when you click on it, you click on insert. Okay, it's loading now. Okay, I want to make this in another slide. Okay, let me delete this one. Let's bring another slide. Right click and select new slide. Let's remove this one, let it be alone. Let's bring this one. Go to insert again. Insert, go to video, click on stock images. Not image, stock videos. Okay, it's loading now. Then select the type of video that you want. You can select this one, anyone that you want that will make it standard. Let me use this one. Once you click on it, click on insert, it will automatically come to your PowerPoint. This is amazing. Okay, I've selected this one before. This is the first one I selected, no problem. Then once you can play the video, look at it. It is not amazing. It is not wonderful. You can also let's go back and select another one. Let's go back and select another one. Okay, anyone that you want to use, you use. Look at this one, click on it, click on insert. If you don't want to use this stock images, stock videos, you don't want to use this one, you can easily use the image. There are a lot of images that are there too. We also have a lot of images that I would like to share with you. A lot of images. Look, if you look at this, apart from video, you see image. If you click on image, you see a lot of things. Under image, you have a lot of title for your research. Look at what you use for research. You want to insert anything you want to insert. Any images. There are a lot of online designed images that we can use here. Under image, we have for there are a lot of things that you want. Okay, then under icon, under image, we have other subsections. See, we have for decoration, we have for entertainment. If you want different background for your presentation, you can select it here. Okay, look at icon now. Is it not wonderful? Okay, let's remove this one. Look at different icons. At even weather icon. Any icon that you want art, you can get them here. You can get them here. This is a secret. Then for car out people, before you do that, remove this one. Okay, you will see a lot of people that you can use for your design. They are all PNG images. Then look at stickers. Apart from video, there are a lot of things that you still need here for your pen. You don't need to go online to get that. You can get it directly for your PowerPoint. See illustration, education, for your weddings and so on. This is not what we are doing today. I just want to show you. Then cartoons. There are a lot of cartoons that you need to see. Lot of cartoons that you need to see. There are a lot of them. After, if you go home, please to practice them. All right. This is the second way. Then we move to the third way of doing that. Let us bring another slide. Okay. Third way of doing that, you go to insert, go to video, go to insert, go to video now, click on online videos. When you click on online video, it will bring another platform for you where you will see the type of link that you put. Okay, look at the type of link that you put. You can put YouTube link, slide share link, Vimeo links, SharePoint, and so, or even OneDrive for business, for your PD, for your drive. Okay, now I want to use the link from YouTube because I'm online. I will click on YouTube now. Look at the one of my video. I will click on share to get the link. Okay, you go to this is the link of the video. I'll copy it. Now I'm going to my PowerPoint back. I'll go to this search box, paste the link of online video. You click on right click and click on paste, or you can click on Ctrl V on your keyboard. Once you do that, the video will start loading. Once the video finish loading, look at the video. You can play it here to see. You can play it here to see. After playing it to make sure that this is the video that you want.
Today,
Okay,
you
look
have
at the
not watched
video.
that, please watch
Now
it.
you can
Okay?
insert it to the PowerPoint. Okay, this is already in PowerPoint. You can drag it. You can drag it so it will be like it will cover the placeholder. So that is it. You can now play it here. It's already inside your PowerPoint. When you can do a lot of wonders, which I will see teach you. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and learn a
Today,
lot of
viewers,
secrets
I will teach
which you
you
don't know
the 4
before.
easy
Okay.
ways.
Also, do you know that they can easily add their audio in your
With
PC? This is audio voice. You can also
different
add it to PowerPoint.
things.
Okay, let me teach you how
One,
to do that.
show you my
Okay,
slide,
you
my
go to that and start it. Let me off
presentation
it.
slides.
Okay, let's bring another slide. Right click. Let's bring another slide. Right click and select new slide. Okay, now you go to insert. Then click on that. Okay, no, click on audio. Once you click on audio, it will take you to where your audio is. Okay, this is the audio that I have. I will select it, then click on open. It will start loading. Usually take time. Let's just have small patience. Usually take time. It's still loading. It's still loading. Once you finish, we can play it. So you see the magic at the inside PowerPoint. Follow our tutorial, please. You will learn a lot. Once you finish loading, this is how it will appear. This is how it will appear. I think it's okay. Yeah, that is the audio. You can click on it and play it. You see
Hello,
what is happening here.
hello, everybody.
Let's increase the volume. You can increase the
Do
volume
this
here.
today.
Okay,
We'll
this
be
is
dealing
audio
with
inside PowerPoint. This is magic. All right.
different things.
Now
One,
let me take you to let me teach you how to make how to format this video. Now look at this. You can easily format your video. The video that you inserted, look at the video that you inserted in your PowerPoint, you can format it. How can I do that? You can double click. You will see the playback. You will see the playback. This playback. Then you can trim the video. You click on trim. If you click on trim now, you can trim it. You select the part that you don't want and delete it. Okay. You can easily trim by shifting it. Can trim the video. Once if you see okay, or you can format the video. You can recolor it, change the background color. You can change the background color, or you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. Let's increase the brightness so we see what we are doing. Or you decrease the contrast. contrast. You can crop it, you can crop the video. Anything you want to do, you can do that. Alright, in this video so you can increase the volume of the video, either medium, low, anything you want. You can mute it so it will not talk. Now apart from this, you can also make your own video. How can you make your own video? Let's get another slide. New slide. You can get your own you can make your own video by clicking on slide tab. Then I will still do this when I'm teaching slide, but I don't want to teach you. Then click on record video. You can record the current, start recording from current slide. Click on it, then you click on start record. It will start recording to take you to your screen. You start recording it. Look at it. It's recording now. Everything you are saying is recording. After recording this video, you are making video, MP4 video. Then you can click on close. Once you click on close, you will see the thing that you have already recorded. You see what you have already recorded in this your slide, the current slide. See the record. Click on this. When you click on it, you see what you have recorded. When you click
To
on it
take you
now,
to your screen, you
see
start
what I've
recording
recorded
it.
before. It's
Look
recorded
at
now. You're
it.
making your video. You
It's
can make it
recording
to
now.
30
Everything you are saying
minutes,
is
one
recording.
hour, and
After
show it
recording
to
this
your
video, you are making
audience.
video,
It's wonderful.
MP4
Please
video.
subscribe to
Then
our
you
channel if
can
you like
click
what you are
on close.
seeing. You can format what you have done, edit it, and so on and so forth. If you like your video, please subscribe, comment. Don't just watch it and leave. Please, I need a comment. Suggest if you want to ask question, please ask so that I will be able to take your question and add more to it in my other videos. Okay. See you in my next video. Thank you.